Welcome to the season premiere of the Lotus Lowdown. We're coming to you from Topeka, Kansas at the Lotus House. And today we have Stanley with you. Clubhouse International news, question of the day, and a lot more. You won't want to miss it. Welcome back to the Lowdown. Today we're going to review standard number 1, which says, membership is voluntary and without time limits. That means you choose whether or not to become a member, and once a member, always a member. We welcome anyone with a mental health condition, and we invite them into the work of the day where they can perform meaningful work with fellow members. That is all for the standard review. Welcome back to the Lowdown. Here are the latest happenings at the Clubhouse. We are currently in the process of combining units to make more effective work of the day, and so people aren't so spread out throughout the Clubhouse. We have also begun posting Facebook Reels, taking videos from our YouTube channel and sharing them on Facebook. And we have had several videos reach triple digits on our Facebook page. We have also decided to begin a take a ride, leave a ride for members who want to come be part of the work of the day but are struggling financially. We'll be right back with more of the Lotus Lowdown after this.
Welcome back. Today we ask people what they think of our house meetings, and here's their answers.
Randy, what do you think of the house meetings?
I think they're great. It's a chance to get everything out that you need to get out and discuss everything that needs to be discussed and then vote for everything that needs to be voted. And I think that's a democratic way of doing things.
Very good. Thank you, Randy.
You're welcome.
Rebecca, what do you think of house meetings?
I think it's a positive thing, and it helps other units realize what's going on within the other units.
Thank you, Rebecca. Summer, what do you think of house meetings?
I think it's a great opportunity to share new ideas for the clubhouse.
Thank you, Summer. Trissa, what do you think of the house meetings?
I think they're very helpful. It's a great way for us to get together and talk and discuss any issues we have between the clubhouse and the units.
Can you edit that out?
Thank you, Trissa.
Thank you.
I like going to house meetings every week, discuss things that we need to talk about the clubhouse.
Thank you, Joe.
You're welcome.
Welcome back. We're going to talk about ways you can improve your mental health. Improve mental health by fostering daily habits like adequate sleep, 7 to 9 hours, regular physical exercise, 180 to 220 minutes weekly cardio, nutritious eating and limit alcohol, substances, boost well-being through social connection, mindfulness, meditation, gratitude, journaling, and spending time in nature. That is all for mental health tips.
Welcome back. Today we're going to read a post from Clubhouse International announcing Clubhouse Giving Day 2026. We're kicking off Mental Health Awareness Month with Clubhouse Giving Day on May 1st. Last year's Giving Day was a tremendous success, and we're excited to build on that momentum to make this year even bigger and more impactful for clubhouses. We hope you'll join us for another inspiring year of raising awareness and critical funds for the Clubhouse movement. All clubhouses are welcome to participate. Registration is open, so register today. Please don't hesitate to reach out to Liz Smith, e.smith@clubhouseintel.org if you have questions or need any assistance. That is all for Clubhouse International News.
Hello, welcome back to the Lowdown. Today's What's Cooking is going to be a little bit different this week. Since we're having important discussions about the future of our clubhouse, we've decided just to have sandwiches for next week so wellness can take part in the discussions. So all next week we will have sandwiches for lunch. That is all for What's Cooking. Thank you.
Hello everyone and welcome back to the Lotus Lowdown. We are here at the Capitol building for Kansas Advocacy Day like we were last year where all the places, mental health facility and clubhouses come to celebrate the day and the governor speaks. And we're going to look around and show you what it's all about.
take my moment.
Well, next, I would like to move to our Mental Health Hero Award. Governor Laura Kelly has led a turnaround for the Kansas behavioral health continuum of care and a continuum in which every piece matters. It's fine. Like I said, a continuum in which every piece matters. She has listened to advocates across the state and empowered her staff and agencies, thank you to Secretary Laura Howard, to help create solutions and close many gaps in our continuum. Among these efforts, she helped create a new front door to care through the 988 Mental Health Crisis Line, expanded crisis stabilization and intervention services, added mobile crisis response, created CCBHCs, integrated more primary care services, reduced the number of children in foster care, enhanced mental health in schools by expanding MHIT, reduced waiting lists for youth treatment at PRTFs, and improved access to inpatient treatment through updates at the current state hospitals, and is building the new South Central Regional Mental Health Hospital that we hope will be open before the end of this calendar year. We still have a lot of work to do. Workforce, housing, and access to care are all formidable challenges, but Governor Kelly's efforts have directly contributed to a more compassionate and effective mental health system, ensuring that Kansans in need receive the help they deserve in times of crisis. I invite you all to help me thank Governor Kelly for the incredible work that she has done from our system, and thank you so much, Governor Kelly, for joining us today.
That is a really nice award. Thank you very, very much. So good afternoon, everybody. It's great to be here with the Kansas Mental Health Coalition for Mental Health Advocacy Day.
Welcome back. As always, we're doing our celebrations to end the episode. Bryce for opening up to the clubhouse, Mark for being a lean, mean cleaning machine,
Alice B for Wanted Media Unit, Alan for London Media, Paula for helping to cook lunch, Rebecca for making koyo pasta, and Paula for shepherd pie. That is all for this week's Business Lowdown, and we'll see you next week. Welcome back to the cut.